Hi, I'm Tony from RARUK Automation, and in this video today we're going to talk about one of the company's most important components. It's probably one that we don't talk about enough as well, and that's our technical support department. Our number one position both in the UK and worldwide in terms of sales isn't just down to the excellent sales and administration teams you've got in the background, but it's down to the technical support that we can offer our customers, both new and old. We've worked with Universal Robots now in the UK for over 15 years, selling and supporting their full range of collaborative robots. It's that experience supporting Universal Robots for over 15 years that stands us apart from the competition. We're there to advise customers right throughout their automation journey, understanding all their considerations, where we can jointly make a decision on whether a Universal Robot collaborative robot is the right choice for them. One of the most important services we offer at RARUK Automation is a feasibility test. This is when we take a customer's components, bring them here into our robot lab and use our collaborative robots and our accessories to prove the robot can do the application that the customer is looking for. We'd send the customer back some videos which are time recorded as well, just to make sure the application can be achieved with one of our robots. Again, stressing the importance that we want to make sure that you make the right decision before you buy. And we also have a fleet of rental robots available. That means they're available for our customers to take back to their workspace, trial in a live environment and on their application, just so there's absolute certainty the robot can do what it's being asked. We offer on-site technical support for those customers who've bought a robot from us, and of course we're a fully authorised Universal Robots Service and Repair Centre. We're proud to say that we've achieved ISO 9001 2015 status.
I've been with RAR UK since 2016. Currently, I am the Senior Automation Technician overseeing the technical support for the Universal Robots. Along with this, I also cover the training of the Universal Robots in our certified training centre, as well as assisting on some of the other automation products. So typically we will assist an integrator or a customer at the start of their automation journey through technical demos, feasibility studies, core training and programming support. Typical questions could be: how can we cut down our cycle time, what robot should we choose, and how do we optimize our program code. So the end goal is to determine whether the UR is actually suitable for the proposed application. We do this by mocking up a feasibility study, trying to keep the application as close to the customer's actual process as possible. The idea being to gather as much information to assess the suitability of the application and the robot. What really sets us apart is the breadth of our capabilities. We can assist a customer or integrator from the very start of their commissioning process all the way through to the after-sales support, from technical demos and feasibilities through to core and advanced training courses, which we are currently the only distributor in the UK that can offer both, all the way through to maintenance and servicing of the robots and programming support.
So thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you some insight into why we're the number one choice for Universal Robots in the UK. And of course, if you want any more information on our support team or any of the other products that we have, please get in touch and we'll gladly help where we can.